Hello, Math 300, and this is Professor Gonzalez, and I would like to do an update for our class for our going into the last test, test number 4, and then the final. Let's take a look around here. If you take a look at File and click on Pacing for test number 4 and final exam, let's check that out. And that shows that we should be today is the 28th. So here we are today, the 28th. So the 28th, you should be looking at 13.3 and starting to get through that, starting to think through that and try some problems. I've passed out or sent out via email the video that I made of doing the homework problems on 13.1, and I'll do 13.2 also. I just want to give you a chance to take a look at 13.3 as how the author explains it, and then try some of those problems. Then we have 13.4, and then we have some time here to review. And the test, so our test number 4 opens up the 6th, but then I'll leave it open, and I'm going to do the same thing as I did last time, giving you guys a chance to take the test once and then improve on that score on the second time around. It closes on the 11th of May at 11:59 p.m. And so does the homework, which is 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, and 13.4. Once that closes, then I'll have a final review for you guys, and then the final exam opens up the 14th of May, and then I'm going to do the same thing, giving you 2 chances on that, and a time and a chance to improve on that grade. And then anyhow, that opens from the 14th, closes 11:59 on the 20th. And so a lot of people are getting on 13.1 and 13.2. That's good. You got to stay strong and finish strong here. As you know, we're getting to the finish line, rather. And you want to finish strong and finish with this homework and finish with the tests. You'll feel so good when you get to the summer break with having this class in your rearview mirror and done. And you can move on and take the next set of classes that you need to take and keep it going forward. That's really the most important thing, that you stay healthy, but also in this environment, try to continue with your progress. And a lot of you have done a great job, and I'm proud of you because this is different than face-to-face, and I miss being in class with you guys. But anyhow, many of you done really good, and I want you to continue to do it. You don't want to let this pile up, because you know how that goes. I did keep this open for a while to give some flexibility, but if you wait till the last minute, 10 o'clock, and start trying to do things on the 11th, that really is going to be a panic. Same rules as last time. So if you prefer to email me and get a paper test, that's fine. You can do that too. Let's see. Oh, some other things. I looked at this last test at the beginning when we first went online. But let's go ahead and take a look over here and take a peek at where am I at? Take a peek at my math lab. And just to make sure, I'm pretty sure you remember because we just did this, but chapter content, go to 13, chapter 13. And if you go to let's see where I'm at. Oh, there we go. Let's go to 13.1 and then select video lecture. And just like last time, the author or somebody like the author has a video going here. I think I put this on very low this time. And they start talking about the time value of money and interest and language and things like that. And so this is a good way to get some good information just to get started. Go and take a look at the problems in my math lab, and next day or so I'm going to kick out more of the homework problems all worked out for you on my iPad, or my son's iPad actually, to help out with any kind of maybe misunderstandings, or sometimes some of the formulas might seem a little different, or I might explain them in a different way that hopefully is helpful and not worse. But anyhow, let's see, continue with that. There was one other thing I wanted to say. Let's see. I think that's pretty much it. Continue with that. Let me click. Oh yeah, the other thing I wanted to say was that I'm going to update the grades, make sure everything is updated from last test and homework assignments so you guys can see where you're at. So you really can have that knowledge, make that push forward for your last test number 4 and the final, so you guys can achieve the score you want to achieve and pass and move on. Okay, I hope everybody is safe, COVID-free, and stay strong, finish strong, and hope to talk to you soon. I will kick out some more videos. Take care. Bye.